And you guys, Lyrics are 1999 on YouTube. Well, figured we're back with another episode of Off-Road Outlaws. Because I figured I'm gonna try to get done. Get my lights on. Here we go. It's around like 70, 72 upstairs. It's not bad. You know, if I had to say what stuff we really need in the update myself, I really think we need like an Explorer. You know, that would be kind of cool. And maybe ability to paint the trailers. And also maybe like dog dish style wheels. Now I know we are at, again, 100. We'll see how well this works. Alright, come on. We should have power, even though we are... And I get the whole membership crap, but you know what? You know, it's getting kind of annoying for people that, like, let's say, who don't have money to do, you know, membership and all that type of stuff. You know, it gets kind of old. You know, like, you should be able to submit your vehicle free, I think. Into only members only. That's kind of sad, you know, that doesn't give any other people a chance. And I can understand the map building aspect. You know. It would also be cool, like, we could, you know, let's say we want to have, you know, a straight 6, for example, we want to build that out. Which we need to do a straight 6 build. You know, here would be another good idea. You know, like one of those like old like 56 F100s. You know, with the square, you know, windshield. You know, that would be kind of cool. Or even like, let's say a Aztec or, oh, I know another one, the Torrent. I know, you're probably asking, why do we need those? I don't know. I know those are technically SUVs, but they were pretty good. The Aztec has gotten pretty popular. Well, that's because of Breaking Bad. But I have other ideas to see what they really need. And I get the whole thing with the clothes and all that, but at least allow us to have a simple hat we could use. You know, like a baseball cap. So this, oh, you have to pay, you know, money and all this bullshit. That's really getting, you know, crazy. But I say otherwise. It's just a lot of stuff, in my opinion. It's just kind of ridiculous. It's like, and part of me actually is getting tired of this exclusive stuff. I mean, yes, I work, but doesn't mean, you know, $5 does seem pretty expensive. And the elite package being at for call, I think it was like 10. I don't know. I mean, I understand they want to make money and all, but it's like, you know, that's kind of taking advantage of people. I mean, here's another idea. I don't know if everyone will like this one, but let's say, like, with the exclusive trucks, you had an option of buying them, like, with gold. Like, let's say, 1,000 gold or something. But I know that's how it is in the parking game, but in that one, the parking game is so hard to get gold. In this, at least it's easy. So I couldn't see it as a problem for them to do that. If I can back up a damn trailer. How hard can this be? Or how about the ability to make mods? Here we go. I mean, I know that's far-fetched, but come on, that's gotta be a good one. And here's another idea what they could add. Let's say they add, like old power cap tires. Or like some like old, like Firestone style tread or all that. Kind of like, the old snow tires from the 60s. But all we have is 2 loads left to bring over there. I don't know what they are going to do with 120 tractors. I mean, you make your guess down below. I don't know what they're going to do. I don't know if they're going to use them as generators, or they're trying to build a farm, or they're trying to junk them, or whatever. Here we go. Oh, looks like we finished it. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Now that we got that one done, all we have left is, 170. Oh no. That one's gonna take forever, and that one's pocket change. Well, hope you enjoyed this. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and that's when you know when I upload. We'll see you all in the next one.